Hi, how you going? My name's Paul. Um, I've come to the Optimal Wellness Clinic about a year ago because I wanted to give up cigarette smoking, and I went through the treatment, if you like, or the hypnosis, and it worked a treat when I first got it done. Then I had a bit of a glitch and I sabotaged myself really, and I decided I could have one more cigarette and get away with it, but that wasn't the case at all. Um, So a few months ago I decided I'd take them up on their guarantee, and I came back and said I want to give up the cigarettes. Went through the hypnosis again with Colin, and it's just been brilliant ever since. I'm a non-smoker, I haven't even wanted to have a cigarette since, and I'm totally surprised with just how easy it was. Thoroughly recommend it to anyone who wants to give up cigarette smoking because it's totally changed my life. It's only now been a few months, but I know I'll never touch another one again, and it's been the best thing I've done.